Hey folks, looking to spice things up on your Fortnite journey by switching server regions on your PC? What's cracking, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Today, I've got a quick video to walk you through the simple steps of tweaking your Fortnite server region on your computer. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. First, take off Fortnite on your computer. Click on your profile icon, then hit up the settings icon. Next, click on settings in the menu that pops up. After that, make your way to the game tab. Inside the game tab, spot the section labeled language and region. In this section, you'll find an option called matchmaking region. Hover over it and watch a list of server regions in the left side menu. Now to tweak the server region, hit the arrow next to the matchmaking region option. Carefully choose the region you fancy playing in from the list. Keep a close eye on the ping displayed in parentheses for each region. Lower ping values, like 20 ms, mean a zippier connection and smoother gameplay. After setting on a region, hit the apply button on the bottom of the settings screen. And voila, your server region is now switched up. And there you have it, folks. That's the lowdown on changing your server region in Fortnite on your PC. If you found this video helpful, then drop a like and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And if you have any kind of questions, so please ask them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.